Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Webull trading app. First, download the Webull app from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, open the app and follow the simple steps to register your account. You'll need to provide some basic information and complete a quick verification. After that, fund your account with at least $50 to unlock trading capabilities. It's a straightforward process designed for new users. Once your account is set up, navigating Webull is simple. The home screen provides a quick overview of market trends and your watch lists. Tap the Markets tab to dive deeper into various assets like stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Here, you can find detailed quotes and charts. Your personal portfolio, including current holdings and performance metrics, is easily accessible under the Account tab. It's designed for clarity and ease of use. Ready to place your first trade? It's quite simple. Use the search bar at the top to find the stock or asset you're interested in. Once you've selected it, tap the Trade button. You'll then choose your order type, like a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy or sell, review all the details carefully, and then confirm your order. It takes just a few taps. Webull also offers powerful tools for more experienced traders. You can access advanced charting features for detailed technical analysis, helping you make informed decisions. Set up custom alerts to notify you of significant price movements or breaking news related to your investments. If you ever need assistance, the in-app Help Center provides comprehensive support and answers to common questions, ensuring a smooth trading experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.